Vega-Trem. It's from Spain, I believe. I thought it was Italian for the longest time. Springs, they have different grades for coincide with the different gauge string. Alright, so it's extra low tension. It's like if you have 8s below, I believe. Low tension is 9s. So I'll be using these. These to the side, this box. Medium tension. We have medium tension for what? 10. High tension. 11 on up. Medium is 10, right? Yeah. So we got low tension for 9s. Alright. Here's the bar. Keep lubricated. What you call it? Pivot bar or something like that. Here's the actual block. There's not much to the block. That's the one of the questionable things about Vega-Trems is the sustain, because there essentially is no block. So those Allen wrenches is for this, obviously. So we're gonna have to watch some videos because the instructions here. So here really doesn't really not extend little instruction. There's just the seating. It's just one side of English in this manual. Tells you what's in the package, the springs. As a rule, they correspond to different string gauges with springs. High tension for 11s and above. Medium tension 10s, low tension 9, extra low tension 8. There's a possibility for any number of reasons, the size of the guitar, the adjustment action, etc., that the connection isn't satisfactory and the use of one of the other springs may be necessary, or a combination of different pairs. One high tension, one medium tension. One medium tension, one low tension. One low tension, one whatever. Perfect setting is to maintain a base plate in parallel position the front of the guitar. Did not come with a claw. Do I have to use the old claw? There it is. So what you want to do is you want to make the Vega-Trem level to the body. I don't know if you can see that now. 1 second. Can you pull shit in, man? Damn. Pure dope. Pure. Can't put it in. Gone too far when you can see around the screw of the plastic. If it starts warping and distorting, you've gone too far, so back off. Don't want to screw up your plastic here. You can see it there, so back off on that one.